60-second tutorials, Warrior 10-inch table saw. Step 1. Install blade. Step 2. Stow away tools. Step 3. Install blade guard. Step 4. If using, install miter guide. Step 5. Adjust blade height and angle. Step 6. Install rip fence. Step 7. If using, install dust collection hose. Step 8. Plug in saw. Step 9. Turn on machine. Step 10. Use push stick and go to town cutting. Step 11. Always store saw with blade retracted. Step 12. Place blade guard on storage hanger. Step 13. Place miter guide in storage hanger. Step 14. Wrap electrical cord and store in clean and dry location till next use.